Hello there, grade 4 students. Welcome to NVIS Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Bernard, your math teacher for today. Before we start, see to it that you have the following materials. Number 1, your textbook. Number 2, your pen. And number 3, a sheet of paper for your calculations. Today, you're gonna learn about Lesson 13-1, Equivalence with Customary Units of Length. Open your book on page 679. The objective: recognize the relative size of customary units of length and convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Before we start the lesson, let us have a short review about the conversion table of customary units of length. In 1 foot, we have 12 inches. In 1 yard, we have 3 feet. In 1 yard also, we have 36 inches. In 1 mile, we have 1,760 yards. And also in 1 mile, we have 5,280 feet. Let's take for example, 4 feet equals how many inches? So look at the table. In 1 foot, we have 12 inches. Therefore, we will just multiply 12 by 4. So 12 times 4. Great. 48. So we have 48 inches in 4 feet. Another example. 10 yards. How many feet do we have? So since in 1 yard we have 3 feet, so we will just multiply 3 by 10. So 3 times 10 equals? Great job, it's 30 feet. So we have 30 feet in 10 yards. Let's answer solve and share.
Jeremy jogged 75 yards from his house to school. How many feet did Jeremy jog? Solve this problem any way you choose.
Be precise. Be sure to calculate correctly and use the right unit. So we have the illustration. Take note, in 1 yard we have 3 feet. So we will just multiply 75 by 3. So 5 times 3, so we have 15. Correct. So we put 1 up of 7 and 5 down of 3. Then 3 times 7 equals? Very good. 21 plus 1, it's going to be 22. Therefore, Jeremy jogged 225 feet. Look back. What do you notice about the relationship between the number of yards and the number of feet Jeremy jogged? Jeremy jogged 3 times as many feet as yards. Now, let's watch and learn the visual learning animation.
How can you convert from one unit of length to another?
Let's find out.
Maggie has a tree swing. How many inches long is each rope from the bottom of the branch to the swing? You can convert feet to inches using multiplication. The table shows equivalent amounts for some customary units of length. What information do you need from the table to solve this problem? The information you need is 1 foot equals 12 inches. What is the hidden question that must be answered to solve this problem? How can you solve the hidden question? The hidden question is, What is the length of the rope in feet? You can solve this hidden question by subtracting 10 minus 2 1/4. Step 1. Find the length of the rope in feet. R equals 10 minus 2 1/4. To subtract, rewrite 10 as 9 4/4 minus 2 1/4 equals 7 3/4. Each rope is 7 3/4 feet long. Step 2. Convert the length of the rope to inches. There are 12 inches in a foot. What is the relationship between the numbers in the two columns of the table? The numbers in the right column are always 12 times the numbers in the left column. To convert 7 3/4 feet to inches, first find 7 times 12. 7 times 12 equals 84 inches. Then find 3/4 times 12. 3/4 times 12 equals 3 times 12 over 4, which equals 36/4, or 9 inches. Then add. 84 plus 9 equals 93. So 7 3/4 times 12 equals 93. Each rope is 93 inches long. Now you know how to convert from one unit of length to another.
Convince me. How do you know the answer is reasonable when converting a larger unit to a smaller unit? There will be more of the smaller units than the larger units. Let's proceed to guided practice. Do you understand? Number 1. Does it take more inches or feet to equal a given length? Explain. Answer. 1 inch is smaller than a foot, so there are more inches than feet. Number 2. Which is a greater distance? 9 yards or 9 miles? Answer. 9 miles. Do you know how? For numbers 3 to 5, convert each unit. Again, you have to memorize the conversion table of customary units of length. Number 3. 2 miles equals how many yards? So since in 1 mile we have 1,760 yards, so we will multiply 1,760 by 2. So the answer will be, great, 3,520. So 3,520 yards in 2 miles. Number 4. 4 2/3 yards equals how many feet? So we have to multiply 4 2/3 by 3. The answer will be, great, 14 feet. Number 5. 6 feet equals how many inches? In 1 foot we have 12 inches. So let's multiply 6 by 12. So the answer is 72 inches. In independent practice, I will let you answer numbers 16 to 13 alone, and we will check it tomorrow. So don't forget to watch the next video. For your extra task, check your Pearson account and answer the assigned practice. Quick check. Thank you so much, grade 4 students. Till next lesson. Bye.